Hello, welcome back to Soul Creative. I'm here to share a Christmas journal kit with you guys. This one has a bunch of items in it. I think there's close to 100 items. So I will get right through it. So you start out with a trifold time card. This is an 8.5 by 11, so it's 8.5 tall, and then you can make it between 3.5 and 4 inches wide. You get a Glassine bag. You get a Kraft bag, a white bag, and a Newsprint bag. These are 6.5 by 9. You get a Glassine bag, and that one is 6 3/4 by 9 1/4. Then you get this deli bag, and this one is 6 by 8.5. And the big ones are, I think this one is 7.5 by 10 3/4. And you get this treat bag, I think it's 5 by 7. Yeah. And then this one, and this has a couple of them in there. So you get that one, that one, and you get a utensil bag. Those ones are 10 1/4 by 2 3/4. And then you get a big Glassine bag, medium size one, a small one, 2 smaller ones, and 2 of the tiny ones. So that's your bag set. Move that up over here, kind of out of the way. And then you'll get a paper set, and this will vary because you'll get different papers, just what I had in my stash. So you'll get a strip of this vintage wallpaper, or wrapping paper. This has little birds and pine cones on it, and it's really old. You can tell it's pretty well aged. You'll get a couple of these journaling cards. They might be green, a different color. So then in this one, you'll get this 8 by 8 piece of paper. You'll get this 8 by 8 piece of paper. This one is 8 by 8. And then you'll get this one, and you'll get the skating one. So you'll get 5 sheets of that. And then you get this Perpetual Calendar sheet of paper. And then you'll get a piece of mulberry. You'll get a piece of mulberry paper, a strip of that. You'll get a piece of this paper here. It's already folded in half. And then you'll get a piece that goes up and down. You get the scrap pieces of that one. And then this one will fold to make a booklet. This one will fold to make a flap on a page. And then you get this journaling card. And then you get Peace and Joy, that little cutoff. You'll also get this piece of scrap paper. You'll get a big index card. This is 5 by 8. You'll get a piece of vintage wrapping paper. And you'll get this piece of scrapbook paper. Isn't that cute? And then you'll get the scrap pieces of that as well. You get a piece of that scrapbook paper. You'll get this journaling card. They'll all be different. 6 by 6 piece of paper. And then these are 6.5 by 4.5 or 5. And then you'll just get a couple pieces of scrap paper here, just to go. You can make little scraps out of them, or pieces, collages. That's what I meant. And that little piece of a cutoff. So you'll get all that, and then you'll get a ledger. It's 5 by 8. You'll get a weekly time record. This is a trifold, and it's 5 by 8. You'll get a big envelope with the card, and this has a place where you can put a photo. You'll get a postcard. You'll get a Yahtzee scorecard. You get another postcard. You'll get a bingo card. You'll get a couple of these. They have the love definition. And then you have miracle. They're not the greatest stamping, but I wanted to include them. You could always just cut it off if you don't want it. And happiness. And get this window envelope. Get this stamped envelope. It says North Pole. Do not open till Christmas. Get the CD envelope. Get a medium window envelope. Get a by airmail envelope. You get this jewelry envelope. You get this layaway envelope. The key collection layaway envelope. You get this little mini window envelope. You'll get a Glassine envelope. This is like a vintage. It's kind of like a yellow tint to it. And then this medium one Glassine, and this medium or this small Glassine envelope. And then you'll get this time card. You'll get a single-sided time card. You'll get a big 4x8 tag. You get a doily, and that's rose embossed. You get a scorecard. Then you'll get an alteration tag, a layaway tag, a repair tag, and then you'll get one that says Merry and Bright, one with Santa Claus, a Perpetual Calendar stick on back of scrapbook paper. You'll get And the Story Begins, a note, It's a Wonderful Life, My Christmas List, Tiffany & Co., This Book Belongs To, a mini file folder, you can fold that in half, and then this stamped card has the stocking of Tim Holtz. And you get this little tag that says December 25th. This one says do not open until Christmas. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. And then you'll get a cut apart tag, a little poinsettia cutout, die cut. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. And get this little tag, and this little tag, and this little tag. And then I got some cutout tags. You'll get those two, and this one, if I can show it, this one, and then these two little ones. You'll get two frames. You'll get this one, and then you'll get this one. You'll get 4 tickets. You get a journaling card, or a definition card. You get a rolodex card, a graph index card. This is a long envelope, long white envelope. Get a library pocket, a raffle ticket. These are little key receipt slips, a library notice, and a petty cash. So that is all of the paper parts. And let me show you the fibers that will come with it. And so you'll get some red string. Get a long piece of fabric that has stars on it, and it has the torn edges. Get an applique. Get this red little bow. Get this little applique doily. And then you'll get this bundle kit of fibers. You got a gold eyelash, a white lace, a red and gold ribbon. This checkered plaid red, gold and green with some lace on the side. A gold ribbon, some pom-pom trim, white. Some more lace here, and then this pretty lace, and then a red ribbon, and some green and gold ribbon, and then this really pretty velvety red ribbon. So you get that. Then you get another couple pieces of stripped fabric. That one's Tim Holtz. And then you'll get a bundle of this gold ribbon, some burlap, this ribbon with the snowflakes on it, this one with some pine trees, another piece of fabric, this really pretty ribbon, this one that says Merry Christmas, has hollies on it, it's burlap, then a couple different scrap pieces of Christmas fabric, you can make tabs out of those, and then this Christmas fabric, and then a piece of this, my favorite fabric. So you get all those pieces right there. And you'll get this piece of ribbon, this one that says Christmas Kisses, a little stocking, little tassels, some tinsel twine, a ribbon that says Merry Christmas, little tags, get 3 of them, and a couple Tim Holtz words, Bright, Joy, Hope, and Festa are on those ones. Those could be different. You get a pack of seed beads, and then you'll get a little charm pack here. You get one of these tags, ring tags. You get a bell. You get some book corners, a vintage label holder, charm. Get a binder clip. Get a couple paper clips, a couple little beads, a bell, some coilless safety pins. You'll get star, couple charms, some bulb pins, some regular safety pins, some more gold paper clips, and a wooden charm, and a 10 Holtz token charm. So that's what you'll get in this kit. There's well over, probably close to 100, if not more pieces. And yeah, so let me know what you guys think. I hope you enjoy. This will be packed up all nice and pretty for you. And I'm pretty sure I have 3 of these available in the shop right now. So if you want to head on over there and take a look, my link will be in the description box below. And please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will be back with another video. Until then, I will see you when I see you. Later.